Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be trading for a black long. They are giving me a short collar, and I'm trading 3 longs and a founder's hat for it. So now, I'm gonna click on their user. Okay. Gonna trade now. Okay, I'm gonna trade now. So, they're afraid that they're gonna get scammed because I felt like I was gonna get scammed. So I asked them if they could send the short first, and they were kind enough to do it. That's why, and this is gonna prove my reputation. I want a reputation to know that I want people to know that I won't scam anybody. So it's a pink long, purple long, yellow long, and a founder's hat. I don't know if I'm a bit over or anything, but I don't care. They were kind enough just to actually trust me, and I'm grateful for that. So, yeah. Founders. The lag, I don't want them to be scared. I was talking to them on Instagram, but okay. Oh no, not the lag. Come on, don't do this. Do not. So, okay, yellow long and purple long. I actually think that they were a bit over, and they also took the time just to trust me, and I really appreciate that. And so, yeah. Lag. Okay, purple long. Here we go. Trade. Okay. So, yay, we got another black long, guys. Okay, so shout out to Wolf123Fire. And so yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please remember to leave a subscribe, like, and comment. And yeah, so talk to you guys later. Bye!